In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell stock on Plus500. We'll walk through the exact sequence you'll use every time, and I'll point out a few helpful checks along the way so you feel confident before you hit that final confirm button. First, log into your Plus500 account using the official app or website. Make sure your connection is secure and that you're in the correct account type for the position you want to manage. Plus500 offers different products in different regions, so it's a good idea to confirm you're in the area of the platform where your open stock position actually lives. Once you're in, head straight to Open Positions. This is the dashboard that shows everything you currently hold. It's different from your watch list or orders screen. Open Positions is where you'll see live trades that are active right now. Next, locate the specific stock position you want to sell or close. Take a moment to verify the symbol, the size of the position, and your current profit or loss. If you have several positions in the same company or sector, double-check you've got the correct one. It also helps to glance at the market status. If the market is closed, you may not be able to close immediately, and the platform will indicate that. When you're sure you've selected the right position, click the Close button next to it. This tells Plus500 you want to exit that trade at the current available market price. As soon as you do this, a confirmation window will pop up. In the confirmation pop-up, carefully review the details before proceeding. You'll see the instrument name, the position size, and the estimated price. Depending on your region and account type, you may be able to adjust the amount to perform a partial close instead of the full position. This is also a good time to note any applicable fees, spreads, or overnight funding that may have accumulated. If everything looks correct, confirm the close. The platform will process your request, and execution happens at the best available price at that moment, subject to market conditions and liquidity. After confirmation, the position should disappear from your open positions list, and your realized profit or loss will update in your account summary. If you keep notifications on, you may also see a confirmation alert. That's the complete process. Log in, go to Open Positions, find the position, click Close, and confirm in the pop-up. Take your time with the review step, especially if you hold multiple similar positions, and remember that market hours and volatility can affect execution. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sell stock on Plus500 with confidence.